We're in our mid-20s, we wasted our teenage years and our early 20s, partying, trying to impress others, no plans, and always in the comfort zone. That is so true, guys, because if you're still a teenager and you're in your 20s or 30s, you need to do this to set yourself 10 years ahead in your life. If we could go back and give our younger selves 18, 20, or even our teenage years some real financial advice, here's what we'd say. Number one, start now. Don't wait, guys. That's the thing. You don't have to be a entrepreneur, a person who makes plans and doesn't make things happen. Time is your biggest advantage when you're young. Whether it's investing, learning how to trade, starting a business, the earlier you start, the better. Waiting until you're 40 will make things way harder. Don't waste your time. Treat your life like it's the end of the year. Hustle early so you're not playing catch up later in life. That is so true, guys, because whatever you're doing in life, everything is all your responsibility. If you want to better yourself, if you want to better your surroundings, your money is your responsibility. That's one thing you need to understand, because no one is coming to save you or fix your financial mistakes. It's all on you, guys. If you want to grow your wealth, you've got to motivate yourself, push yourself, and hold yourself accountable, because you need to stop waiting for someone else to help you. You need to take charge of your life and take charge of your future. You need to make plans to change your life. That is so true, guys. Surround yourself with the right people. You may have to cut off some friends, a few partners who aren't aligned with your goals, because if they don't add value or push you forward, you have to let them go. Instead, connect with people who are focused, who know more than you, and who are going where you want to be, whether that's in business, trading, or life. That is the way to go about it. In life, if you really want to win, you have to defeat your fear. Don't be afraid of change. If you want to move to a different location, be willing to change, guys. Because if what you're doing isn't working, then you need to switch things up. Whether it's your business strategy, your trading approach, or your habits, guys, don't get stuck doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. Because growth happens when you're willing to take risks, make adjustments, and try new things. Because in order for us to grow as humans, guys, we need to always grow. Because if you're not moving forward, you're definitely moving backward. Another thing, guys, invest early and often. Put your money to work as soon as you can. Whether that's trading, stocks, real estate, or starting your own business, the sooner you invest, the more time compound interest and growth can work for you. It might feel tough now, but it's worth it. You need to pay your price in your 20s or your 30s so that you can actually chill and enjoy your 60s or your later years in life. One of the biggest advices we've got, especially in 2024, guys, is that we need to stop being materialistic people. We need to stop living to flex. We need to stop trying to impress others. Looking rich isn't the same as being rich. Forget spending money on things that don't matter. Instead, focus on building wealth behind the scenes. Investing, saving, growing your money where nobody can see it, guys. True wealth doesn't need to be flashy. Don't care about what people say on social media. Just live your life for you. And to add on that, focus on growth and not negativity. What you focus on will grow. And if you're constantly thinking about your problems, they will get bigger. But if you focus on solutions, learning, opportunities, that's where you'll start to see results. Whether that's in trading, business, personal finance, energy flows where attention goes. If you focus on shit grows. Yeah, guys, sorry for the vulgar ways, but that is absolutely true, guys. And you need to understand that health is wealth, guys, because we need to take care of ourselves as people. You need to take care of your physical body and your mental state, guys, because there's no point in building wealth if you're not going to be healthy enough to enjoy your money. You need to understand that each and every day you need to exercise, eat well, prioritize your well-being, because your body is part of your whole success story, guys. Do not neglect your body and do not neglect yourself. And that's the thing, guys. We already started working out this year, and with more plans to working out even more in 2025. I want you guys to understand something. Forgive your parents and move forward. Maybe your parents didn't teach you about money, investing, or trading. That's okay. They did the best they could. Don't hold on resentment. Learn from their mistakes. Forgive and take control of your financial future. We have to understand some of us actually come from poor backgrounds, And one thing that I've realized ever since I started moving up in life, I started staying in gated communities whereby some people were privileged enough to be rich kids. As somebody who comes from a disadvantaged family, I know that for most of us in our families, we are never taught about money. There's never a conversation about money. Anything that's to do with money usually leads to a fight. Even in your household, the same thing happened to us. When you ask about money, they will simply just tell you, you have a roof on your head, you have food to eat, and that's it. That's your whole conversation about money, and many people are going through that. And the problem with that, guys, is the moment you come from that kind of situation, you'll find that your first relationship with money is actually debt. You are already 10 steps back. You don't know about planning, you don't know that you need to plan for your money, and that is what will hold you back. So don't be hard on your parents. Actually fix your relationship with money. If you fix your relationship with money, you will see that your relationship with money will improve. Yes, guys, do not blame your parents because they did the best that they could do for you. That is why you need to understand that whatever you could learn from them, you need to have a plan for your life and you need to have a plan for your money, guys, because without a plan, you'll end up just drifting away and living a meaningless life. You need to set clear financial goals. What is for your business, forex trading, or investment? Let that plan guide your financial decisions and keep you on track. As we like to say, guys, plan and execute. Your mindset determines your success. How you think drives what you do, and what you do creates your results. So if you think like a winner, positive, focused, determined, you will act like one. The right mindset will help you grow your money, your skills, and improve your life. After doing all of that, guys, that is when you need to actually step outside and help our people. Because in life, the more you give, the more you receive, guys. You need to help out others along the way to your success. Success isn't just about you and what you're going to gain. It's about what you give. Whether it's sharing knowledge, supporting someone's journey, or helping others grow, giving back is part of the process. I mean, we are the living proof, guys. In our whole journey, we've been helping a lot of people along the way, and we have a lot of testimonials of people's lives that we changed using our trading strategies. That is true, guys. Another thing I want you guys to understand is time doesn't wait. You are as young as you'll ever be right now. The older you get, the faster time seems to actually move. Don't waste opportunities or moments. Make smart moves today so that you don't regret tomorrow. You need to understand something about money. Your money changes when you change. If you want to improve your finances and your trading abilities, you've got to improve yourself, guys. You need to learn more, take action, and level up. Because when you grow, your money grows. And the same thing applies even in Forex, guys. The more you take your Forex trading journey seriously, you'll see yourself become a better trader. At the end of the day, the best way to take care of your future self is to make the smart choices today. I can 100% agree with my twin on that, because even for us, our trading journey actually started to change when we understood money. As long as you're going to approach Forex trading and being desperate for money, most likely you'll first be scammed. Most people actually, especially in the southern region of Africa, a lot of people don't believe in Forex, mainly because most of them get robbed of the opportunity to even believe that Forex trading is real. Mainly because they're desperate for money and their first interaction with Forex is them getting scammed. And once you get scammed, there is no way you'll ever believe that Forex trading works. The first thing that will come into your mind when somebody talks about Forex trading will be scam, 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 scam. And just like that, you've literally taken away an opportunity for you to change your life. I mean, you guys can see what Forex trading has done for us. There's so much power in understanding on how to trade, because trading first fixes your life. In order for you to win in trading, you need to first work on yourself. You need to fix your mistakes. You need to work your psychology. That is when you can now have a future in trading. We're actually doing our $50 challenge journey, whereby we're planning to take $50 into a whopping 50,000 USD. And currently, guys, it's been 6 weeks, guys. 6 weeks. We started this account on the 7th of November 2024. That's literally a month ago. And so far, we've taken it to 16,000 USD. And already, we have made our first withdrawal of 1,000 USD. Many people don't believe it's true. But guys, you need to understand that as long as you approach trading like it's a real investment, you don't rush your trades, because somebody will tell you, I can do it in a day. I can do it in a week. But what happens if they go wrong? Or let's say, for instance, they're having a losing streak. They will simply lose their account. Losses are part of the game. We do also go through losses, but we understand money. We're not attached to the account. We're approaching it slow and steady. And most importantly, we're using our strategy of plan and execute, because trading is all about 90% planning and 10% execution. Those of you guys who've actually reached this far into the video, I would like to thank you guys, and please remember to like, subscribe, and also share the video. If you're looking for a recommended broker, click the link in the description below. I want to show you guys the whole process, how to open your account, how to trade, how to analyze, and eventually how to get to a point whereby you're able to make $500 a day, and show you guys how to actually do it. Just last year, guys, we were able to turn $1,000 into $23,000 or even more. I'm also going to put the proof for you guys to see as well. And from there, a lot of you guys asked us which broker we used. We did that using one of the most trusted brokers, and that is Exness. And not only just that, since 2024 even started, we've made more than 1.3 million. But it's not even about that, guys. Today it's all about you. We are here to help you know how to do the same thing. And when you're done with this video, you're gonna be making $500 a day, and that is my promise to you. And join our free Telegram channel where we give you guys free trading ideas so that you can actually follow us on our trading journey. And just like that, it's Ever's got your mentors signing out.